Hi friends, it's time for recap, and today we're going to talk about empathy, and I'm going to show you the word, okay? Let's spell it. Empathy. Empathy. And empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of other people. So, when you show empathy towards someone, you are showing them compassion. You are trying to understand how they feel, and you may even feel what they feel at the same time. So, if somebody in our class, let's say that Allison lost her pet, okay? Let's say that her pet ran away. And she came in and she told us all, like she said, Miss Charles, I have something I would like to share. And we say, yes, Allison. And she says, I lost my pet. My doggy ran away. We can show empathy to Allison by saying, we can say to her, Allison, that is so sad. We are so sad that you lost your pet. If we look at Allison, we might even feel very sad, and it may make us sad. Like, oh my goodness, Allison lost her pet. Now I feel sad for her. That's showing empathy towards people. And it's okay to show empathy because when you show empathy towards someone, you are showing that you care about them, okay? So, next, after this lesson is done, you're going to click on the video. It's a Sesame Street video, and they're talking about empathy, okay? So, empathy is showing that you understand or feel what another person feels. And it's okay to show empathy. Empathy is a good thing, okay? All right, friends. Don't forget to click the next video so that you can watch a lesson on empathy by Sesame Street. Talk to you later.